Now, sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? A type of reproduction in which two parents involved and formation and fusion of gametes is there. A type of reproduction in which gamete formation and fusion is occurred. That is the sexual reproduction. A type of reproduction in which gamete formation and fusion is there, that is of sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two parents involved. Two parents required. That is, gamete formation is required and gamete fusion is there. That is the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction we studied in plants as well as in human beings. First, we studied the sexual reproduction in angiosperm, that is of flowering plants or angiosperm. Sexual reproduction in plants. In plants, what is the reproductive organs in plants? The reproductive organs in plants, that is of flower. Flower is the reproductive organs in plants. How many parts present in the plants? Flower. The flower has 4 parts. That is of calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. These are the 4 portions present in the flower: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Calyx is the outermost part of the flower that is normally green in color. And its unit is called sepal. And its unit is called sepal. And the second most portion or second cycle of the flower, that is known as corolla, it is colored. And its unit is called petals. Petal. And third portion, that is of male reproductive parts, androecium, and unit is called stamen. And fourth portion, that is the female part of the flower, and its unit is there, the carpel. These are the 4 parts or 4 cycles present in the flower. If you see the flower structure, that outermost small green portion, these are the calyx, and colored portion, that is of corolla. Then these are the stamens, and central portion, this is the gynoecium. So this one is of calyx, this one is corolla, androecium or stamen, and this is female part, stigma. So this is the transverse section of flower. A flower which has all 4 part, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, that is known as complete flower. ऐसा फ्लावर जिसमें चारों होते हैं पोर्शन कंप्लीट फ्लावर करते हैं, और इनमें से कोई एक पोर्शन स्पेशली मेल पोर्शन और फीमेल पोर्शन में से एक कोई पार्ट नहीं होता है तो उसको इनकम्प्लीट फ्लावर कह सकते हैं. Normally a flower which contain both the sexual portion, androecium and gynoecium, ऐसे फ्लावर जिनमें एंड्रोशियम और गायनोशियम दोनों फ्लावर होते हैं वो फ्लावर कहलाता है बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. बाइसेक्सुअल यानी both the portion present in the flower, that is known as bisexual flower. Missing of any one, either male part or female part, एक भी पोर्शन नहीं है सेक्स पोर्शन और सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन्स, दैट इज नोन एज यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर. यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर, दैट इज मेल और फीमेल फ्लावर. तो एक भी मिस है तो वहां पर एक को मेल फ्लावर कहेंगे, दूसरे को फीमेल फ्लावर कहेंगे. समटाइम्स both the flower present on the different plants. Means suppose this is the male plants which contain only male flower. This is the male sign of the male plant only, that is unisexual flower is there only which contain only male flower. These are the male flower. And this one is of another plant. This is of female plant. It contains female flower. And it contains male flower. Such condition is known as dioecious. Dioecious. When male flower and female flower present on the different plants, and such condition is known as dioecious. One plant having male flower, that is the male plant, another plant having female flower, that is the female plants, and such condition is known as dioecious. Another condition is there if a plant contains both the unisexual flower. Here suppose here that is male flower and here female flower. This one is of male flower and this one is of female flower. This one is of male flower. Yani male flower and female flower present on the same plant but on the different branches. And such condition is known as monoecious. Monoecious. So example of monoecious is of maize. Maize. And example of dioecious is of papaya. Papaya. Dioecious. Papaya. Dioecious. Papaya is a dioecious, in which male plant and female plant is different, and maize is of monoecious. Both the male plant and female plants present on the same plant but on the different position. Now we studied the male part of the flower. Male part, that is androecium, and unit of androecium is known as stamen. Unit of androecium, that is the sternum. Stamen is differentiated into two parts, that is filament and another one is of anther. Stamen is differentiated into two parts, one is the filament, another is of anther. Suppose this is the anther and this one is of filament. Such type of structure, that is of stamen. If you take the transverse section of anther, which looks like this, the transverse section of anther, this is the transverse section. Transverse section, and it is divided into two lobes, one lobe and another lobe. This is one lobe, this is another lobe. These are the two lobes, and each lobe divided into, and again, two parts. So the anther is divided into four portions, and these four portions is known as, these are the four portions. These are pollen chamber. Pollen chamber, or we can say pollen sac, or inside them pollen grain will develop. These are the pollen grains. Pollen grains. These are the pollen grains. Pollen grain, developed pollen grain contains the two layers. This is the pollen grains. It is covered by the two layers. Outer exine and inner intern. Inside the nucleus is there. There is a pollen nucleus. Pollen grain covered by the two membrane. Outer is of exine and inner is of intern. Inside the pollen nucleus and cytoplasm is present. This is the first cell of male gametophyte. From pollen grain, male gametophyte will be developed. This is not gametes. This is the male gametophyte. Before dehiscence or before liberation of pollen grain, it will be divided. This pollen grain normally formed with the help of meiosis. This is the pollen grain which is formed with the help of meiosis and reduction division. That is contain half number of chromosomes. meiosis क्या होता है, जिसके अंदर रिडक्शन डिवीजन होता है, क्रोमोसोम नंबर आधे हो जाते हैं. तो पोलन चैम्बर के अंदर मियोसिस होता है और जिससे क्रोमोसोम इसके अंदर हाफ हो जाते हैं, आधे होते हैं. बट नॉट नाउ इट इज गेमिट्स. अभी ये गेमिट्स नहीं है. इसको अपन कह सकते हैं मेल गेमिटोफाइट की फर्स्ट सेल कह सकते हैं. अब इसके अंदर माइटोसिस होता है. इट इज डिवाइडेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइटोसिस टू फॉर्म टू सेल्स. इट इज डिवाइडेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ माइटोसिस टू फॉर्म टू सेल्स. वन इज ऑफ जनरेटिव सेल्स, जनरेटिव सेल, और दूसरी होती है वेजिटेटिव सेल्स. एक जनरेटिव सेल्स बनती है, दूसरी वेजिटेटिव सेल्स बनती है. फर्स्ट डिवीजन दैट इज द फर्स्ट माइटोसिस. नाउ इट इज नॉट मियोसिस. ये मियोसिस नहीं होता है. ये क्या होता है, माइटोसिस होता है. माइटोसिस में छोटी सेल जनरेटिव सेल बनती है और लार्ज सेल जो होती है वो वेजिटेटिव सेल्स बनती है. then after pollination will be there. Pollination, that is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. That is a pollination. Pollination transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma, that is the pollination. Pollination, you study two types of pollination is there, self pollination and क्रॉस पोलिनेशन. सेल्फ पोलिनेशन में सेम प्लांट के ऊपर ट्रांसफर होता है तो उसको सेल्फ पोलिनेशन कहते हैं, और डिफरेंट प्लांट पर अगर ट्रांसफर होता है पोलन ग्रेन का तो वो क्रॉस पोलिनेशन होता है. इफ द पोलन ग्रेन ट्रांसफर टू द सेम प्लांट मींस इन बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर, द सेम प्लांट फ्लावर पर ट्रांसफर होगा तो उसको सेल्फ पोलिनेशन कहेंगे. और एक प्लांट से दूसरे प्लांट पे होगा तो उसको क्रॉस पोलिनेशन कह सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर द पोलिनेशन दिस pollen grain form the pollen tubes. This pollen grain form pollen tubes through germ pores. This is pollen tube. And then initially first generative nucleus, then vegetative nucleus come down. Sorry, initially that vegetative nucleus, then generative nucleus come down into the pollen tubes. जो सबसे पहले आता है उसको vegetative nucleus कहते हैं. And now this is called tube nucleus. ये vegetative nucleus जो है पहले यहाँ आता है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? tube nucleus. और this is the generative nucleus. Then after one more division is there. One more division is there. In that only generative nucleus. Generative nucleus में एक और division होता है. This is of tube nucleus and this one two male gametes. These are the two male gametes. And this is of tube nucleus. Tube nucleus guided the pollen tubes towards the egg cell. फीमेल पार्ट या फीमेल गेमेट की तरफ वो गाइड करता है, तो वो ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस. आई रिकॉल यू, दिस इज पोलन ग्रेन which contain pollen nucleus and outer membrane exine and the inner membrane in time. After the development pollen grain, the pollen grain divided by the mitosis, equational division. One that is large cell is of vegetative cells, one another small cell is of generative cells. Then after pollination is there and it formed the germinal tubes. This is the pollen tube we can say, and this vegetative nucleus comes first. That is now called tube nucleus, and behind it, that is of generative nucleus will come down. Then only generative nucleus will divide it to form again divided with the help of mitosis to form two male gametes, and this is the tube nucleus. This is three cell structure developed male gametophyte. This is three cell structure, that is the well developed male gametophyte.